Do you want to learn hypnosis? You might have already seen the videos on YouTube, seeing the hypnotic demonstrations. You must be wondering how it works, and you must be really wanted to learn it. Am I right, my friend? I am PRADEEP Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching hypnosis in 1977, and last 45 years I am taught more than 500,000 people hypnosis, NLP, law of attraction all over the world. And now, my friend, if you really want to learn hypnosis, you are at the right place. Now, I started learning hypnosis in 1972. That time nothing was available. There were no books available. Very rarely books were available. There was no YouTube. There was no internet. So I learned the hard way. Now, you don't need to learn hard way. I have done all the work for you. So my friend, hypnosis is a very powerful tool to reprogram your mind. And now I have started conducting workshop, 2 full day physical workshop in Hyderabad. 2 full day physical workshop in Hyderabad, where you learn by doing it. Now, hypnosis is a very powerful tool. You can learn hypnosis for fun, profit and fame. What does it mean? When you learn hypnosis, you start having fun with your friends and family members wherever you go. And then when you start showing the power of their mind and showing them the power of hypnosis, you become popular. And then how you make money? You can help people to come out of their problem and charge, or conduct small workshops. Or if you're already a therapist, you can add into your therapy model. So my friend, this workshop we conduct 2 full day practical workshops, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. both the days. Now let me tell you what you will learn in 2 full day workshop. It's a practical workshop where I'll give you a demo, then explain to you how it is done, and then you will be practicing among each other and master it. By the end of 2-day workshop, you will become the hypnotist. So now let me tell you what you are going to learn in this workshop. First day in the morning, you will learn about what hypnosis is, what hypnosis is not, how conscious mind works, how subconscious mind works. Then we get into self-hypnosis, because you need to learn self-hypnosis, and then before lunch, you would have done your first hypnosis on others. Now there are many methods of hypnosis. Some method which I initially learned take half an hour, 45 minutes to do a person into hypnosis, and that also we don't know whether it is in deep hypnosis or not. All are gone now. We don't waste time. You are going to learn initially rapid induction that takes 3 to 4 minutes. Then you will learn instant hypnosis. Yes, my friend, you will learn instant hypnosis. So let me tell you what you are going to learn. You are going to learn self-hypnosis. Then you will be practicing on each other. Then we get into it a real hypnosis where you can learn a hypnotic imagination games. Now we call it suggestibility test, and I call it hypnotic imagination game, but you use the word hypnotic imagination game, there is no resistance. And then you will have a lot of fun, maybe locking their hand, making the hand tight, they cannot bend it, they cannot open their eyes, and many more you are going to learn in the workshop, where I'll give you a demo, then you'll be practicing on each other. This is first one you will learn with the eyes closed. Then you are going to learn with the eyes open. Eyes open, wonderful technique you are going to learn, which you can start using it immediately in the workshop, and then you can start doing it on others. Eye open means the same thing, hand lock with the hand stiff, the leg stuck, hand stuck, name amnesia, hand to the wall, lot of things you are going to learn there. We call it eye open hypnosis. Yes, my friend, eye open hypnosis, waking hypnosis. And then you will learn a simple but very powerful method called development induction, which normally take 3 to 4 minutes to put a person to deep stage of hypnosis very first time, and then you can do hypnotic anesthesia, you can teach them self-hypnosis, and you can do your therapy. You will see this in the workshop. I'll guide you, and then you'll be practicing on each other and master it. Now, these are the few things plus many more things you are going to learn in the first day of the workshop. And if the time permits, on the first day of the workshop, there is something very interesting called pseudo hypnosis. Now what is pseudo hypnosis? Pseudo hypnosis looks like hypnosis but not hypnosis. It's a simple, very powerful technique. You will learn it. Why you need to learn it? The basic reason is because when you do this kind of demonstration, some hecklers may come in. So you can use this technique, which is very simple, which you'll be practicing and having a lot of fun. Looks like hypnosis, but not actually hypnosis. So this is also as a bonus you are going to learn on the day 1. Then you will learn on the day 1 how to do hypnotic anesthesia on others. We talk about finger signals, yes or no finger signal for therapy purpose, plus many more things you are going to learn on the first day. Now remember, I'll give you a demo. Remember, you are going to give you a demo, then I explain you how to do it, and then you're practicing on each other. Now it's a practical workshop. You come to the workshop only if you want to practice. And then you will learn how to do hypnosis on children also the day 1. And the next day morning, you are going to learn instant hypnosis. Yes, my friend, different methods of instant hypnosis. You will learn what to keep in your mind, how to start it, and many more things you are going to learn. Instant hypnosis, then you will learn non-verbal hypnosis, then you will learn how to convert hypnotic imagination games into real hypnosis, and then different techniques which you learn. The advanced technique called pretending hypnosis. Yes, I developed this technique called pretending hypnosis. Then you will learn how to utilize if somebody has been hypnotized before, their previous trance, and then oriental pressure point method, a very powerful technique called oriental pressure point method. Then we learn how to give a lecture demonstration. So if once you go out of the workshop, you can start giving demonstration on hypnosis and give a lecture, and then give a demonstration, call somebody on the stage and give a demo. Then you will learn content-free therapy. Now, what is content-free therapy? That means the person need not tell you what the problem is. You can still do content-free therapy with them using a very powerful Ericksonian hypnosis method, which you are going to learn, and different therapy techniques, at least 4 or 5 techniques you will learn in the workshop to do a therapy on others, which takes only 5 to 6 minutes to do it. Yes, my friend. That's where you can make money. You can teach self-hypnosis, you can do healing for the person without their telling you the problem. That's the important part. And then on the first day in the morning, you will also learn some very important thing. One thing is how the power of words works, effect of the power of words, how you can change your words, change your life. Plus you will learn 7 common reasons why we get psychosomatic and physical problem. Then you know how to use imagery for healing. Carl O. Simon in USA created a wonderful course using visualization to help cancer patients. Yes. And then you will learn different ways to manage pain. Then you will learn how to remove fear and phobia on yourself. Many more things. A practical workshop where you learn by doing it. Now, few rules to the workshop. The rule number 1 is, if you are coming from out of Hyderabad, you have to come 1 day early. Don't come early in the morning, because I don't want to be tired and not enjoy the workshop and not learn the things properly. So come 1 day early, maybe in the night, so you can sleep in the night properly, and then you're fresh in the morning. Number 1. Number 2, you only come to the workshop if you want to practice. Don't come to watch me. I have more than 1100, 1200 videos on YouTube. You can go up and watch the video. My video, other people's video. Now, you have to come here only if you want to practice on each other and allow other person also to practice on you. Then only you will become master. Number 3, the most important thing, workshop happen on Saturday and Sunday. Most of the people, what they do to go early and save hotel expenses or something, they book flights 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock or a train or bus. Please don't do that. We don't rush in the class. So, if you are booking a flight late night, booking a bus to go back late night or train, or otherwise next day morning. Now, if you are coming from outside, if you need any help with the hotel, with the area where we live, is lot of hotels, where the hotel close by, lot of hotel starting from 600-700 rupees to 5,000 rupees depending on your budget. My staff can help you. Now this 2 full day is a practical workshop. You will get a certificate, then you will get a manual, a thick manual with lot of techniques which you can use it later on when you go back home, plus many handouts, many printed handouts which is not there in the manual. We will give it to you. So now my friend, you must be wondering what is the fees for this workshop. Normally when I conduct this workshop out of India, it is 50,000. When I do it in India, it is 25,000. But when we do it in Hyderabad, it is normally 10,000 plus GST, that comes to 11,800. But now there is a very special announcement, so listen very carefully, my friend. This workshop we used to do in a hotel where we need to pay the hotel charges and then the food and everything. So we have decided to do this workshop in our own office place where we can take 10 to 12 people only, or maybe maximum 15 people. So we'll be doing it in our office, so that advantage of that workshop is in my office is that you have a one-to-one connection with me, you can ask questions, and then we don't have a time limit. So we decided to bring the price to a very low, only one time this time. It is not 10,000, it is 50% off, which is 5,000 plus GST. That comes to 5,900. That includes all the bonuses given in the page below. Have a look at them. You'll get all the bonuses. Register in advance. We are not taking many people here because we are doing it in our office, our own premises. So there is a limited seat. So register right now. Pick up your phone, call right now and register, or use the Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay, or go below. There is a method for making the payment for credit card. Ledger Pay payment is also there. Do that and then send us a screenshot. We'll register a sheet for you with the bonuses. So register right now. This fees is only 5,000 plus GST, not 10,000 our regular fees. Thousands of people have paid 10,000 to attend this workshop plus GST. Now it is only 5,000 plus 900 for GST. It is only one time. We are doing an experiment, doing in our office premises. So take advantage of this. I'm looking forward to see you during the workshop on Saturday morning, 8:30. Thank you very much.